Dear future customer, welcome to Jumbo Luxury Cars. Here is your 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Supercharged, stock number 7707. This vehicle currently has 7,776 miles and according to Carfax has accidents reported with 2 previous owners. This video is made to give you a detailed description of the vehicle, its options, as well as its history. Our goal here at Jumbo Luxury Cars is to make sure we have a transparent buying process. I will show you any damages, scratches, or anything else you should know about this vehicle. First, we're going to start with the exterior of the vehicle, checking for any scratches, dents, or damages that the exterior may have. Here in the front, we have a dent, which is the accident that's reported on the Carfax. This will be fixed. A couple of light scratches here. But overall, the exterior is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the rims and tires, checking for any curb rashes, the tire condition. The rims and tires are in great condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. Under here we have your spare tire, those tools and accessories that come with the vehicle. Overall, the trunk is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look under the hood. As you can see, everything seems to be in good working order. Now let's take a look at the interior. All buttons are in excellent condition. Driver's seat is in pristine condition, absolutely no signs of wear and tear. Back seats are in amazing condition. Here we have extra storage, cup holders. Here's another angle of the back seats. As you can see, everything is in excellent condition. Passenger seat, pristine condition, absolutely no signs of wear and tear. In the glove compartment, we have your owner's manual. Now let's continue with the interior. Steering wheel is in excellent condition. Here's a close-up of the mileage. This vehicle comes equipped with navigation, also backup camera. All media buttons and AC buttons are in excellent condition. Overall, the interior is in excellent condition. This vehicle comes with 2 keys and an owner's manual. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please don't hesitate to contact us. It will be a pleasure to assist you.